At least yan, alam mo yon.
Yeah!
Sync sila, nagsisync.
Nev! And MRLD.
Nice one.
Ang ganda ng song na nakaka-in-love. Parang
Na-in-love nga ako lalo sa'yo nung buwan.
Ngayon yung mga masarap pakinggan kapag kakasama mo yung mahal mo, di ba?
Super.
Diba, Ray?
Yung slow dance na nga tayo dun eh.
Alright, Nev, kumusta? Ano pakiramdam?
Sobrang ganda ng melody ng song. And to be honest, I thought it was going to be a challenge, pero madaling ka-do-it si MRL.
Yes, MRLD, how does it feel? Nandito ko ngayon sa The Clash.
Actually, nung na-invite po, sobrang kabado kasi lahat ng singers dito bumibirit. And yung kanta ko po kasi, sobrang malumanay lang. So, nung narinig ko yung version ni Nefs, parang, pwede pala mabirit yung kanta ko rin. Kaya, crazy. Thank you so much.
Yes, and that's one of the things kung bakit ito The Clash. Dahil kahit gaano pa ka malumanay, pwede mo kasing ibahin yung sarili mong song.
Yes.
Pwede mong gawa ng kahit anong areglo and make it your own. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so
for
much
being
po. Thank you so much.
Kulabususan talaga. Tatanungin natin ang ating Clash panel.
Alright, Emeraldy, thank you so much for
Thank you
being
so much
here.
po. Thank you so much.
You have a very wonderful and unique voice.
Thank you po.
Beautiful lyrics as well. Thank you so much. Nev, thank you for that song as well. Talagang ang feeling nga namin parang you both were in sync. The lines were very sweet. Talagang you helped each other out. Parang hinele nyo ang isa't isa, dinala nyo yung isa't isa at yung mga tao dito. At binigyan nyo kami ng isang performance very entrancing. Pinasok nyo kami sa mundo nyo. Maraming salamat.
What a deep word, entrancing. Anyway, yun na nga, parang nag-jive kayo and napaka-soothing ng inyong performance. And may itatanong sana ako, anong meaning ng MRLD?
Actually, real name ko po kasi po is Mariel De Jesus. And I just took off the vowels po.
Maria De Jesus.
Yes.
Oh.
Yun po, I actually thought of the artist name when I was 14, kaya...
Kaya siya.
Opo, parang sobrang corny niya.
So, ikaw naman, Nef. Bakit Nef ang pangalan mo?
Galing po siya sa, ang whole name ko is Neftali.
Oh, Neftali. Neftalina. Pampalagay yun sa kwarto eh. Pampaamoy ng pampaalis ng mga ipis. Di ba gano'n? Neftalina.
Miss Ai, MR, di ba sa kanya ganon? Sa kanya, Nev, yung isa, Japs. Oh.
Bakit nga pala Japs?
It's Julian, Tanya, Florida, San Jose.
Oh!
Opo. Pero hindi ko po kaano-ano si Mr. Efren Panya, Florida.
Oh, si My Japs. Ikaw naman, Raver. Bakit ka
Actually,
Raver?
it's Raymond Oliver. So it's Ray and Ver together.
Yes.
Just like me and her together.
Oh! Maisingit talaga no? Talagang maisingit lang talaga yung inyo no? Pero di ba, ang dami natin natutunan na bakit ganyan yung pangalan nila, saan nakuha. Yun lang. Okay, thank you.
Pero do you prefer na MRLD? Yan, ganun.
Yeah, pag sa stage po, opo. Pero like, casually, Yel lang po yung tinatawag.
Yel.
Yel lang po,
Yel.
yes.
Oh. But thank you, ha. Thank you for accepting the invitation to be with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ang nakita ko naman sa inyo talaga nag-compliment ang mga boses nyo. Kahit magkaiba yung texture ng boses, it is blended well together. And I love as if your hearts are beating as one. Kasi, Nef would do his solo and then he would shine. And then when you do your solo, you would shine as well. So there was no pulling and pushing. That's what I love about your performance. So really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Thomas Lang.
Thank you, Clash panel. Good job, guys. And MRLD, thank you again.
Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
great